Hello and welcome to Carbohydrates 103. This is your host Michael, and we'll be talking about chemical structure today. We'll be talking about monomers, dimers, and polymers. With the prefix mono, which means one, these are the most basic building blocks of carbohydrates, a simple molecule, just one on their own. Some of these you might know already, such as glucose, fructose, and galactose. Glucose is our body's preferred energy source. Fructose is found in honey and fruits, and galactose is normally found in peas. I like to think of these as a simple Lego block. You can't break it down any further, um, and it doesn't have too many defining characteristics of its own. Going on to dimer with the prefix di, meaning two. So when you add two things together, in our case, monomers, we have sucrose, which is the combination of glucose and fructose, lactose, which is the combination of galactose and glucose, and maltose, which is the combination of two galactose molecules. Sucrose is the most naturally sweet carbohydrate. Lactose is found in dairy products mainly, and maltose is found in our grain products such as pancakes, sweet potatoes, and bread. And that's where you're going to get your malt powder from. So I like to think of these as going on with our Lego analogy. Two Lego bricks. They have a little bit more together. You can break them apart. They have a little bit more characteristics. Sometimes they might be two monomers that are different or two monomers that are the same, but they have a little bit more to them that we didn't have in the monomers. Going on to polymers. Poly with the prefix meaning many. So we're going to be thinking about many molecules stacked together. We have amylose and amylopectin. These are found in plants such as potatoes, rice, and corn. Amylose is typically 20 to 30% in our starches versus amylopectin, which is 70 to 80% in our starches. These can be used for thickening foods, such as something like cornstarch, and this is a plant's way of storing their carbohydrates. Glycogen is the animal and human way to store carbohydrates. You can notice that this one has an even more branch structure due to the high need of glucose in most of our metabolism. As I mentioned before, it is the main source of energy that we use. And then we also have cellulose and fiber. We talked a little bit about fiber in the last episode. It can be found in skins of fruits, beans, and whole grains, just to reiterate, and it is only found in the cell walls of plants. There is no energy in them, but they are important for our bowel movements, and we can't take energy from them because we cannot break down the bonds between them. I like to think of these polymers as a Lego house, many, many pieces fitting together. You can break them apart, use them for different things, and that is all. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good one now. Bye.